Hello friends, today we will study about data structure. The name itself indicates that organizing data in memory. There are many ways of organizing data. As we have already seen, one of the data structures that is array in C language, which we all are familiar with. There are also other ways to organize data in the memory. Let's see all those. There are basically two types of data structures, primitive and non-primitive. Now what are primitive data structures? The primitive data structures are primitive data types like integer, char, float, double and pointer. Those can hold only a single value. Next is non-primitive data structure. The non-primitive data structure is divided into two types, that is linear and non-linear. Now what is linear data structure? The arrangement of data elements in a sequential manner, one after the another, is known as a linear data structure. The data structures used for this purpose are arrays, linked list, stack and queue. In these data structures, one element is connected to only one another element in a linear form. So I hope it's clear, like sequential means what and how the array is stored, right? So what is the main characteristics of linear data structure? So main characteristics is arrangement will be in sequential manner and they are connected to only one another element in a linear form. Now let's see what is non-linear data structure. Obviously it will be opposite to linear one. The data structure where data elements are not organized sequentially is called non-linear data structure. All the data elements in non-linear data structure cannot be traversed in single run. Example, trees and graphs. So there we can't have we can't move in sequential way and all. And in non-linear data structure can't be traversed in a single run, which we can do in linear data structure. Now let's see what is array. Array is the collection of memory elements in which data is stored sequentially, one after the another. The data is stored in the memory, that is one after another. Okay, in other words, we can say that array stores the elements in continuous manner, right? So this organization of data is done with the help of an array of data structures.